All right, all right. I was watching the markets from past 1 hour. I woke up at 4, and yeah, I took the trade. The logic behind the trade is very simple. That we have this candle high from this bearish candle high. I mean, it's important candle high, and from that candle high, price dropped very significantly to the downside. All right, and as I don't even consider this. Cannot consider this 4 hour supply because the price didn't make any lower low, didn't give any kind of break of structure. So I don't think so. I should consider this 4 hour supply. But there's one thing that we liquidated that 2 hour supply, right? And the price 30-minute candle high has been taken down, and that gap, look at from here to here, that gap is a engulfing. Yeah, that's an engulfing. If you go to the engulfing, and not just this is a evening star engulfing. We form an evening star engulfing candlestick pattern over here, as you can see. As we liquidated, this candle is a liquidation candle, right? That candle is a liquidation candle. On the Wanda, we have this candle. This candle is a liquidation candle which liquidated a 30-minute bearish swing high, right? And there is another candle. This is a doji, especially, and go to the forex yeah, over here you can see that if you have this liquidation candle, this doji, and prices, this is a pure bearish evening star close, and we got the liquidity grab. And so after the liquidity grab, what we need a immediate bearish engulfing or immediate bearish evening star if the price liquidated a swing high, very significant swing high. And yeah, of course the price liquidated a 30-minute very bearish swing high, and I believe personally, price has to go down up to this level. This is a possible exit, I believe, but as the price liquidated a 30-minute swing high, so I don't believe the price gonna stand a chance, or I believe this zone is not gonna stand a chance against it, because after liquidity sweep, do not buy or sell. That's my rule says. I'm following my rule that do not trade against the liquidity sweep of a significant high and low, even though the setup looks clean, right? The setup looks very, very clean, the bullish setup. Trading with the liquidity direction only, not against it, but with it. So I traded with the liquidity direction. I followed my plan, yeah, and I also following this thing, right? To book the profits, look for the early swing high low. So yeah, there is an early swing high low, and in this way, I should not be putting the unrealistic TP on the charts. So I want a bearish sell-off, like, I mean, the bearish candle will be formed like, I mean, massive than this one, these bullish ones. So if you have the bearish, strong bearish candles, very, very big, bigger than these bullish candles, I hope the price will gonna go down. Or I say the price will definitely gonna go down if we have the bearish candle larger than these bullish ones. Of course, the price gonna go down and deep, and then that will be my exit level. Maybe that will be my exit level, so I can maybe these extreme zone, because from here to here in this swing we have only these 30-minute extreme zone. So I believe the price has to go down deep up to this level, then we can have because you know what, look at this, we have created a little bit of head and shoulder, right? We have the, and I want this kind of rejection. Like, I mean, we have the left shoulder, we have the head, we are making the right shoulder. If the price makes, and so yeah, I am believing the price has to go down from here. And then after coming to this, and this is a daily high, and from here the price will gonna go up like that. So this is a level. It is just an anticipation, right? It is just an anticipation, nothing crazy, right? And price already gave the indication. Price is correcting right now. Price will correct over here. I'm believing the price will correct like this. Price will tap these 30-minute extreme demand zone, and from here the price will give a bullish push, and it will close above this level. Then the continuation breakout will happen over here. Then we should look for the buys up to this 4-hour supply zone. Yeah. So in this way, what do we have? We have this swing low, and this swing low. We have the 3 swing low, which contains very much good liquidity to the downside. And then what I will do, then I'm going to short over there, and my stop loss will be over here. Sorry, my TP will be over here. I will be expecting 400 pips like that. This is how the market works, from supply to demand, demand to supply, creating the equal lows, equal highs, open lows, descending lows, whatever you call. But this is how the market moves. This is how the market moves in a liquidity direction. So let me show you something. So this is a 4-hour time frame, and I believe price has to make these kind of right shoulder to go up. To go up, price has to make these kind of shoulder like that, right shoulder from here, because we have the continuous bullish flow. I believe the price has to correct a little bit, and that's it. That's it, bro. That's it. It is what it is. I followed my plan. I did everything right, but TP has a. I'm not putting the realistic TP because I'm believing, bro. Price will not. This zone is not going to stand a chance against it because we liquidated a 30-minute swing high. Where should I put my TP, bro? Where should I put? Let me see. I wake up at 4 every single day and do this kind of stuff every single day. Other today is a Monday. Spreads are still normal today. Spreads are normal today, bro. Yeah. Okay. I'm changing my TP from here to here, or maybe up to this level. I believe so, because price has to go down up to that level. Right. I also put some buy limit order at this sell high, because at 15-minute time frame. If I go to the 15-minute time frame, this is the first sell off, I believe. And if the price comes again and induces the first sell off, I put my buy limit over there, and from there the price has to go down. And to liquidate this zone, it is, yeah, bro, it feels invalid, bro, because you know what? Price already liquidated 30-minute candle high, 30-minute swing high, whatever you call, but immediate, we have the evening star, very bearish evening star, and from there, I don't believe this does work. So I'm gonna move the TP. I'm gonna move the TP to that exit 183, with the price of the potential to go 180 to 500. Oh, I'm being so good. If the price comes back up and induce the first sell-off on the 15-minute time frame, there is my another order, and after liquidating that order, maybe from there the price will drop to the downside to my desired level, and after that, okay, all right, guys, all right. I'm just sitting and forgetting too much, too much. All right, okay. Yeah, I'm already down 270 on my account, personal account. All right, 270. If the star price hit this unrealistic TP, like, I put my buy limit over here, sell limit over here, like that. It is too unrealistic. 100. I'm expecting the price to drop 171 pips again, because price already did that. From here to here, price already dropped 171 pips to the downside. So I need a very strong drop. I need a very strong candles, big candles. We liquidated 30-minute swing high, right? We have a bearish engulfing evening star close, and we have also a supply. So I followed my plan. I pretty much follow my plan, all right? And I spot the invalid zones over here. So they also contain the liquidity below them. And yeah, that's it. I'm gonna follow my plan, but the exit criteria. Okay, when the price hit this alarm, I will decide what. We need a very strong drop to this level, then decide to hold for the 183 round psychological level. This is the 183 round psychological level. Then I'll decide. Okay, price indicates, price corrects, price is in the correction, and if we have the very beautiful continuation break down to the downside, then yeah, probably the price gonna drop, and this zone gonna break like that. So yeah, I'm just set. Just set and forget, bro. Just set and forget. That's it. See you soon, boya. All right, all right. The market just, sorry, Tokyo just opened, and this is 30-minute candle just opened after the 5:30. Okay, the 10 minutes ago this candle opens, and I'm hoping the price will go down. I mean, we're gonna liquidate that zone. So, bro, yeah, that's it. I want to believe this thing, right? Should I book over here? I'm really in confusion, bro. Oh my goodie. So what should I do? I must delete that foolish order over there. I put the order somewhere here. I need to delete that order. I don't know. Price is gonna liquidate that thing for sure, bro. I'm floating $88, and already I was down like 478 equity, negative. Right. So I must delete which kind of order. We have the EJ build. All right. I didn't think right. All right. So we must delete these are 0.5 lots, right? Should we delete? Yes, sir. We should. Because price already gave the continuation break, so there is no possibility the price is gonna go up. And that's it. That's what we did. And another thing. Oh no. So what is another thing that let me zoom out, and I am believing the price is gonna hit this 500 target mark, because yeah, bro, I believe it so. Because you know what, against the liquidity sweep, nothing gonna work against the liquidity super significant high until unless the zone is shall I use the advantage? No, it should be very early to book the trade there. So I'm already floating $80-90 right now. What should I do? I'll just put the order over here. Yeah, like that. If the price hit this TP, my account will be like 4955. Still I'm $60 behind. 60? 45, I believe so. $45 behind. If the price, okay. I should follow my plan. That's book your profit at the significant or the earliest swing high or the swing low. I'm gonna follow this plan, and yeah, in front of you, I just put the order over there, and I don't want a price to tap the zone and go up like that. Oh my God. So I don't want to be regretted like that. Okay, oh, price respected that zone. I put my order, my TP over here. This is 15-minute time frame. Okay, I put my order TP over here, and price just reverse from here. I don't want like that kind of foolish reason, because I had a chance to do the things. I had a chance to follow my rules, and yeah, I have a chance to follow my rules. Bro, the price is really going down, and I'm putting my exit criteria over here below this swing low. If the price reverse back, and it will if it induce this first sell-off on the 15-minute time frame. What do we have? So let's wait for the 1 minute and 20 seconds. If the price closes over here, then I'm sure that the price is gonna go down for sure, or not, because we had a demand. We had this demand of the 15-minute time frame. Even though the buying or the selling, even though the selling is slow to the demand, that does not necessarily means the demand is going to work. Because I've seen multiple times, even though the selling coming from some supply, and the selling is slow, and there is a weak demand, low time frame demand, don't believe that kind of thing, like the price gonna reverse from the demand, low time frame demand. Because I've seen multiple times, price always gonna breach that low time frame demand, even though the selling looks slow and sloppy. The price always gonna break that demand zone. So here is a 5-minute demand, foolish demand over here, also the 30-minute, 15-minute one. But after the liquidity grab of the significant swing high, nothing gonna stand. I've tested it multiple times. Okay, this is a perfect tool, I'm aiming for 1:6 RR. Beautiful trade, right? 1:6 RR. If the price hits the TB, bro, what? What the hell? Oh my goodness. I have to go for a run, man. Maybe 2 miles today. If the price hit the target in this candle, what will happen? Okay, I followed my plan. I did everything great, and bro, right? Oh my goodie! Oh what the hell? I believe the price gonna liquidate that swing low, and yeah, I put my alarm there. I'm booking at the 1:6. It is a perfect deal. I put my entry over here, 184, 171, right? And from here, price has to go down. It has to go down, bro. It has to go down. Tokyo just opened, and you know what? When the price kicks into Tokyo, the momentum continues until the Asia close, until the Tokyo close. So, yeah. But it has a potential, bro. It has a potential to go beyond this level. But I am following my rule that book the profits at the earliest swing low. So this is a very significant swing low because we have a very crazy buying from here. I follow my 1:6. 1:6 R, bro. 1:6 R. Man, on the 100K account, it will be 5 to 6,000, right? So yeah, that's it. That's it. Just set and forget, bro. Just set and forget. Yeah, we just liquidated the 30-minute candle low, bullish candle low. Now we see some little bit of reaction over there. Can we capitalize on somewhere? We have this, okay. Oh my goodie, we have this 30-minute supply over here. As you can see, we have this 30-minute supply. We can, maybe, but I'm not sure the price is gonna go. I'm not trailing the SL, the mistake I did the last time, but I trailed the SL very early, and I got my trailing hit, and I miss upon 1:7 order, I believe. Yeah, that's it. Go down, boys, go down. So yeah, it is what it is. All right, guys, this is what I'm expecting. Before that, let me explain. I already got the 1, 2, 3, 4. I got 4 times stopped out. I already got 4 times. Yeah, I got 4 times stopped out from the trade. So yeah, it was a logic. We got the liquidity. We liquidated 30-minute swing high, bearish candle high, and from there I draw the supply, and I thought, okay, the price is gonna go down and deep, and what the hell happened? So, bro, if you see this kind of scenario, price liquidated a lower time frame significant high, and there is another very significant high. There was a 4-hour supply, bro. It was a 4-hour. Price is near the 4-hour supply, and of course the price gonna go to that daily high and liquidate that daily high and the 4-hour supply as well. And exactly price did that, and I got stopped out. I got stopped out from the trade, and also I did one foolish thing that. Right? Okay, on the 3-minute time frame. Let's go to the 3-minute time frame. So I saw we got the supply, we got the liquidity grab, we got the breakout structure, and I shot it over here. Got stopped up. Again, I shot it at the bearish engulfing after the bearish engulfing close, and again I got stopped up. And what the price did? Price went higher, and I got liquidated 2 times. 3rd times, okay, 3 times. I got stopped out 3 times in this trade, and another thing happens. Like we got the price formed this 30-minute candle after liquidating me, and price liquidated the daily high and the 4-hour supply at the same time, and I shorted after these candle close over here, and my stop loss was over here because of the spreads, these foolish spreads. I got stopped out, and again I entered over here, and now my equity is like, all right, my equity 459. I'm about to breach my funding account, and I don't want to breach, and I didn't even put the stop loss because I know if the price makes even a little bit of pullback to the upside, the account is going to breach. So yeah, I'm believing. yeah, it's going to go. It is going down. This is so yeah, I'm 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, and this is the 5th trade. I'm taking. Today is a Monday open. Exact the same scenario happens in the past. Like, all right. In the previous Monday, 16th of the March, so what happened? We got the liquidity grab, we got the breakout structure, price gave the beautiful momentum, and the price opens on the Monday, gap down, price went higher, price liquidated the supply. Why the price liquidated the supply? Because there was a 4-hour strong candle high, and as after the 4-hour candle high taken down, price gave a 15-minute bearish engulfing close, as well as on the 30-minute. You can check, there is a 30-minute bearish engulfing close. Price gave the moment, and price gave the engulfing. Price blasted in the late Asia. Price blasted 128, 60 pips to the downside. Another example. Let me show you another example over here. All right, this is, bro, exactly the same trade, but on the high time frame. We had the two supplies. Price liquidated a very significant high, lower high, as well as a supply, right? And forms a bearish engulfing close immediately. No time pass, with a rejection. And from here, the price blasted to the downside. Beautiful trade, 1:3.454 RR, 66 pips all the momentum. Exact, on the same scenario, if you go to the 4-hour time frame, remove the drawing. So now, let me change the markets. This is Owanda, and let's go to the IC markets. Okay, lower, right. We have the 4-hour high, and at the same time, we have these daily high. These candle, daily high. This is a daily high candle. Price liquidated there, right? 4-hour daily high, 4-hour high, and the daily high. And yeah, that's it. And I'm believing the price has to go down and liquidate that 4-hour low, this 4-hour candle low. And I don't wish, but I want the price to give me a very beautiful candle close. 19 minutes remain for these 1-hour candle to get closed. And if this 1-hour candle close, like, bearish evening star, bro, it would be like crazy. I want, after price liquidates a very significant high and low, it has to form a engulfing candlestick pattern, or otherwise it has to form a evening star candlestick pattern. And in this scenario, yeah, price already is in the forming evening star. It is in the formation of the evening star, and I believe so. Price has to go down, bro. And I put my take profit over here, because you know what? On the daily time frame, we have the daily demand over here. So be cautious, be selective, just follow your plan. That's it. Just follow. I have to follow my plan to book the profits. Look for the early significant high low, strong candles high low, supply demand. Okay, on the supply demand zone, we have the demand. I'm going to book the profits over there, and I'm going to follow my plan exactly like that. And yeah, price is giving us a little bit of rejection, but no, that's not. It's just a rejection. Price is going to go down for sure this time. Oh, I got price liquidated me for 4 times, and then it's giving me a momentum. Yeah. From the history, I learned, and today I also learned that when you see this kind of scenario, we have this kind of high and we have this major high. Of course, the price is gonna attract towards this major high, right? So keep that in mind, bro. I'm telling to my future self, please understand this kind of scenario. When you see these kind of the highs, then you have the 30-minute and we have the daily high. So of course, the price is gonna attract towards the daily high, because after liquidating that thing, that price is gonna give a very beautiful momentum to the downside. So yeah, it is what it is right now, and yeah, that's it. See you soon. Let me see the profits. Okay, we are $123 up. Bro, I was literally about to breach my account, and I don't know what's gonna happen, but I'm believing this price to liquidate this swing low, because it contains liquidity. It also contains liquidity because it has a demand zone over here on the 5-minute time frame. Of course, this 5-minute demand 15. Okay, this is 5-minute demand. This is a 15-minute demand, which contains a liquidity. It already becomes a liquid zone. And yeah, bro, yeah, go man, go and liquidate this zone and this zone. I'm just putting the alarm over here, and that's it, bro. That's it, man. That's it. See you soon. All right, guys, ladies and gentlemen, what do we have? I'm holding the trade. I short it over here, risking my full account in this single trade. We are in the London Open right now. I'm looking at the charts, and what the hell? Let me show you my MT5. Oh, floating 172. I want the target of these 300 zeros. Yo, bro, I'm continuing to hold right now. Yeah, I'm continuing to hold the trade. And yeah, price. Why the price? Price liquidated that thing. That's why it's giving a little bit of reaction right now. But let's go to the 30-minute time frame. So yeah, that's it. As we major liquidity just resting about the supply zone for hour, and the price always going to get attracted towards a major liquidity high. And exactly, the price did that, and yep, it is what it is. 30-minute bullish eagle peak, but it is not a significant high, bro. It is not a significant high. Huh? 1 hour, do we have nothing? We do not have any kind of demand zone or what. The only demand I can see over here is that this is daily demand, this is the demand, earliest demand zone inside this daily demand, and I want a price to blast to this. I'm aiming for 80 pips. 80 pips, sweet 80 pips, and that's it. I'm going to do. Continue to hold this trade now. We are in the London Open. I don't know what's going to happen. Maybe the price will. Who knows? Who knows what's going to happen? We are 2-hour candle has a 56 minutes to close, and we'll see. It is what it is now. London Open. What will happen to the London Open? That's it. I'm holding the trade from last. What? Alright, I'm holding the trade from last 4 hours and 4 hours and 30 minutes. 5 hours. I'm holding this trade from last 5 hours, and yeah, I'm continuing to hold the trade. Price at this moment. How much the price is giving? At this moment, price gave me a 1:3 RR, 3.8, almost 4. And at this moment, price is giving 1:2 RR, 28 pips of the momentum, $172. What the hell, bro? No. Do not reverse. Why this happens, huh? Why? Whenever I open the screen, price starts to reverse, bro. Why? I don't want a price to go above there, because if the price goes above, you know what? My account's gonna breach. Let's go with the 15-minute time frame. So on the 15-minute time frame, what do we have, huh? Do not have any supply there, right? You have this resistance level. Bro, it's really hard, huh? Really hard. So yeah, it is what it is. I'm gonna set and forget for now. And yeah, if the price is gonna breach my account, okay, fine. But I want this trade to hit the TP, that possible exit target. Forming a head and shoulder. Why the hell price is even going up, bro? Why? Price liquidated as 30 minutes internal swing high, low, swing low, and the price is going down. But after liquidating a major swing high, price should not be. I mean, look at the size of bearish candle and look at the size of bullish candle. They seems big. No. They seem big from before here. But after there, we have the large bearish candles and the small bullish candle, and this is the first one, which is a very good, or I say very powerful candle I have seen after the liquidating the major swing high, right in the front. So what's gonna happen? Who knows? Alright, we have the 8 minutes to close this candle, and if this candle close bullish, and the candle after that, if the next 15-minute candles close bearish and engulfs the low of this bullish candle and close inside this trend line level, bro, price is gonna blast. They're gonna blast it downside, and it's gonna hit my TP, boys. And yeah, I'm gonna sit and forget that. Go down, boy, go down. It sucks going up, huh? So yeah, see you soon. Alright, guys, boys, I'm holding this trade from so very long. We're about to hit the target, and I don't want this price to reverse from after liquidating this swing. I want the price to go down and deep. Let's go to the 4 hour, and I believe, alright, this candle has a 4 hour low, and I believe so price will go down. I'm just literally holding the trade, man. Okay, go a little bit. 1:7.25 RR. Beautiful trade, man. Beautiful trade. Okay, let me open my MT5. What the heck? Really? How much I floated? $435, bro. Picasso, man. Oh, goodness, my goodie. This is a 4 hour. Do not reverse from. I suck, bro. Do not reverse from here. At least do not reverse. There's nothing, bro. $434 I saw, bro. Magic. What? right, all right. I'm just waiting for this alarm to get hit, and I'll see you soon. Okay, do not reverse. Now, Wanda, we have this liquid high, but on the MT5, we did not have any kind of, right? Right. We do not have anything right like that. Go down and deep and liquidate that significant low. This is a 50-minute supply. Maybe after liquidating this low, price will give a little bit of the push, a little bit of the reaction over here, and from here the price will tap this supply zone of the 15-minute time strips, and from here the price will want to go down and it will liquidate definitely, because these high contains liquidity, because price gave the bullish reaction from here, price gave the bullish reaction from here, so of course it contains liquidity below it also contains liquidity below it. But yeah, that's it. I'm gonna set and forget for a little bit more because my TP is over here and I do not want my price to reverse from here, at least, bro. That's it. It is what it is. Set and forget, and I'll see you soon, bro. I'll see you soon. It's the best of the best I've seen so far. Let me see how much I remain, bro. Do not reverse from the 14 pips. Do not reverse from the 14 pips. Okay, we are rejecting now. So yeah, it is what it is. But I'm gonna set and forget, and when the alarm hits, I will show you. Yeah, that's it. I follow my plan. Also, look it, to book the profits, look for the earliest swing, earliest significant high low, or the swing high low, strong candle high low, or the supply demand zone. And exactly, I book my take profit at the demand zone, which is a very significant demand zone. And I'm satisfied. I'm glad I follow my plan. I'm able to follow my plan. Yeah, and that's it, bro. Yeah, crazy. And I will do it again. Ladies and gentlemen, we hit our beautiful TP. Yeah. Bro, it was such a relief, man. We hit it. Is a no stop loss trade, and look here, my account gonna get breached if the price comes here. It is a no stop loss trade. I'm literally, bro. It was a crazy trade, man. Crazy trade. I hold the trade for from here to here. Oh, I hold the trade for 6 hours and 30 minutes, and it finally pays me out. This is what happened, bro. This is what happened, man. This is what happened. Yeah, I followed my plan. 1:7.25 RR. Beautiful trade to the perfection. And I just let me show you my MT5. Yeah, from breaching, the $50 were left to breach my account, and now I'm $100 up on my funded account. Crazy. Just today, I was like $60 away from breaching my account, and now I'm $100 up on my funded account. So yeah, this is how quick the life changes when you follow your plan, when you do this stuff. Crazy, bro. It was a beautiful trade, and let me show you my history. What was? Oh my goodie! Look at the 241, 301, 7. Crazy, bro. Crazy. It was, and price is still going down, but yeah, it's none of my concern because I book at a logical level and I don't want it. No, I'm satisfied. I'm glad I did the thing. I did very good thing, bro. Yeah, I got stopped out 4 times before hitting the target. Before hitting this TP, I already got the 4-time stop losses. And yeah, I booked very good trade. TP, bro, I don't have a word, but it's beautiful. Such a relief, man, from about to breach the account and finally $100 up on my funding account. It was like a crazy experience for me from early in the morning. Yeah, from today early in the morning, I was really stressed about like, okay, $60 remained, $60. Yeah, but this is it. Great trade, 1:7 RR, beautiful trade. I hold the trade for 6 hours, man. Oh, no stop loss. It was a no stop loss trade. Full risk trade. If the price gonna even a little flick, even a little, if the price makes a little bit of reject, a little bit of the pullback, my account like wiped out. But yeah, it is what it is. If you believe in your setup, if you believe in your system, and that's it, bro. That's it. Trade to the perfection, man. That's it. Follow your plan.